Hi, it's Butterfly again. And yeah, obviously, I don't know what I'm doing, why I'm speaking like this. Pero maybe I'm trying to connect to someone. Maybe I just needed advice. Or what? So, let me start with telling how I lived for 34 years. My life wasn't easy, but it was never worst. So, the thing that I remember as a child is I grew up sa negosyo ng magulang ko noon. So, at the age of 7, I guess, yun na yung pinamulatan ko, and I was never even allowed to sleep or have my nap time. At first, when I was still a kid, I don't understand why, and I felt like I'm being deprived, and my life as a kid was stolen somehow. But then, as I grew up, naintindihan ko na because we are short of staff noon when the business is still here in Manila, my parents need all the help they could get, and that is from us. So I am the only daughter, and I have 6 brothers, and even them, pati sila, they help with the business. So we made it until one of us graduated from college, our eldest.